Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and another video from my hair care series. Are you suffering from damaged hair, weak hair, or lots of hair loss? Well, this is the perfect solution for all of your problems. Stay tuned. Take 4 tables of mayonnaise. Take 1 teaspoon sweet almond oil, or if you don't have it, you can always substitute it for 3 vitamin E capsules. 2 tablespoons of pure 100% mustard oil. Juice of half a lemon or lime in my case. You want to make sure to mix all of the ingredients of the mask really well into a smooth paste using a whisk or a fork, but it should be very smooth with no more lumps. If I feel like my hair is getting weaker or I have a lot of hair fall, this is the mask I go for, and I have tried and tested and it really works. I know, it's kind of gross, but hey, sometimes you have to do things that you don't like, right? That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just applying it roughly in the little parts of my hair. I'm looking in the mirror and I'm just taking small sections roughly and I'm just applying it in my roots. Now, this mask has everything that you need to make your scalp stronger. For example, from starting from mayonnaise to mustard oil to sweet almond oil, which you can always substitute with vitamin E capsules, and then you have lemon that has vitamin C. So you have proteins, you have omega-3 fatty acids, you have vitamin E, you have vitamin C, everything that you need to make your scalp stronger. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and apply this mask all over your hair, but that's not what I do. I like applying it just in the roots of my hair, and then I later on go in with some mustard oil. That helps me with spreading this mask, or I just like oiling the rest of my hair with the mustard oil. Plus it helps me with massaging this mask really well into the roots of my hair, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Also, since I'm sitting outside, the mask is gonna get stiffer really quickly. It gets stiff anyways, but since I'm sitting outside, the weather was really good and I was like, you know what, let me just sit outside and enjoy it. And it was just getting dried really quickly. So I just went ahead and quickly made sure to, saturate all of my roots, especially from the back, because those are the areas that we usually forget about. You don't want to forget about those areas. You want to make sure you saturate all of your roots, all of your scalps really well with this mask. And then you're gonna see what I'm gonna do in the next step. As you can see, all of my roots are covered in the mask, but my ends are not. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some raw mustard oil. I'm just gonna apply it in the ends of my hair. And then, by the way, this is my most favorite oil by itself with no added ingredients. This is the best one ever. And now I'm massaging my scalp really well, because you want to make sure your scalp is stronger. When your scalp is stronger, it's going to it's going to grip onto your hair better, and you're going to notice less hair fall. So I decided to bring in my daughters, because I was going to apply the leftover on my daughters, but one of them refused. She had just taken shower and she said, no, mama, I'm good. But my older daughter, she always listens to me, and I think she's gonna be the next YouTuber after me. She's gonna continue the legacy. She's always ready for that, and she wanted to apply some in her doll's hair, which I told her not to, because it's kind of hard to take it out. So, but yeah, my little one is applying it in my head and it feels so good, even though I already have tons in my hair, but she wanted to put some more. I'm like, okay, go for it.
मसाज करेगी इसको, मिलियन को मसाज करी थी, और मैंने नहीं, कोई भी नहीं, तुम मसाज करो। अभी तुम्हारी स्किल्स अभी नहीं है। I hope you enjoyed this video, so bye.
Do not forget to
subscribe and like and share. Click the bell button if you want to watch more videos. Oh, and kisses.
And that's all. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.